Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So let us do the next example. Example number 2. An investment provides a return of 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%. These are the expected return. Expected return of 10%, expected return of 20, expected return of 30, and expected return of 40. With the probability of 25, probability of 30, probability of 15, and probability of 30 respectively. Respectively means the first one for the first one and the second one for the second one, right? Second one for the second. Where is the second? Second is for the second. So these are the expected return and these are the probabilities. So we have to calculate the expected return. So in order to do this one, again, we can use from this OneNote, but OneNote is a little bit time consuming. And instead of OneNote, so this time let me do it with the Excel itself. So in order to do with the Excel, click here, then go to the insert the Excel, calculate here. So now click on the edit. So now the Excel window is open for you. So simply you can calculate, right? So take two columns. Take the first column for return and take the second column for probabilities and take the next column for R into it, R into P, right? So here mention the value of R. R is how much? R is 10%, although it is 10%, but do not mention 10%, just mention 10, right? Why? Because there is a reason. Next, how much is the next R? Next R is 20, next R is 30, and the next R is how much? 40%. But in the case of probabilities, take the probabilities into the decimals. Instead of 25%, mention 0.25, right? Next one, instead of 30%, mention 0.3. And the next one, instead of 15%, mention 0.15. The next one, instead of this one, 30, mention 0.3, right? So these are the values that we have. Next, in order to calculate the expected return, first of all, you have to do this one, this column, multiply to this column, right? So you get the value. How much? 2.5, right? So you can do for the rest of this one itself. You can do the same thing for the rest. So you can find out the same for the rest. Next one is X, next one is this one, and next one is this one. If you want to find out the total of this one, of course, you can merge the files into center. Here you can mention expected return. What return? Expected return. Expected return is equal to. You have to find out the total of this one. How we can find the total? Take the summation sign, right? Then find out the total of all this one. Sum up all this value, you get any percentage. Press it. You got 25%. How many percentage? 25. Basically, you can mention the percentage here as well. So the expected return for this one is equal to how many percentage? 25%. Okay, that's fine. So 25. Now you can mention this one in the form of percentage as well. 25 or the percentage. Yeah? Okay, no, there's a mistake, but basically it is 25%. So 25% is the expected return for this example.